So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is just simply upgrade to ChatGPT 4 and then just simply drag and drop your PDF onto the screen right over here, and then just simply ask ChatGPT for the plugin, and then just simply ask ChatGPT for the summary of that PDF. So it is required that you have the premium subscription of ChatGPT 4. So there is another method that you can try and is much more better from the normal way. And in that way, you don't even have to upload the PDF. So all you need to do is just simply install this plugin, which you can find in any browser. So it is a chat-based plugin for ChatGPT itself. All you need to do is just simply search this on a browser and open the web store of that particular browser. And from there, just simply install this plugin to your Chrome browser or whichever browser you may be using. And after that, just simply refresh the ChatGPT page, and this type of interface will appear right in front of you. Now, once that happens, you will find a search panel right over here. Just simply search for PDF. You will find this option right over here, summarize text or PDF with bullet points. Just simply click on it, and you will find that the bot is now selected. Now over here, what you can do is just simply drag and drop your PDF and upload it, or open your PDF on any browser. As you can see right over here, I have a book. So now all you need to do is just simply copy this URL of that book or PDF and paste it right over here. And then just simply write what you want from ChatGPT. So as you can see, this is what I exactly want from ChatGPT, and then click on enter or press this option right over here. And now just simply wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, ChatGPT summarized the entire book over here. Now, all you need to do is just simply ask question and answers, or if you want to decrease the entire size of the summary, you can also do that by just simply asking, summarize in how many words you want, and then it will give you the entire summary in those many words. So if you would like to get ChatGPT, you can get the link in the description box below. So if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.